What is going on, guys? It's your main man James here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very innovative and very effective way to do affiliate marketing. So you want to pay very close attention in this video, and then later on towards the end I'm gonna be showing you how I'm actually gonna be using this method myself and how you can profit off this idea. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is, if you Google for this term here, AHREFS, you're going to see a bunch of results. But if you're not familiar with AHREFS, this is actually their homepage. And really what AHREFS is, it's a tool for doing SEO stuff, right? So SEO, search engine optimization. It's a very well-known tool for doing it. But we're not going to be talking about this site today, right? If you type AHREFS, okay, and you scroll down, the first result is obviously the site. But if you scroll down, you're going to see something called the free backlink checker by AHREFS. Check backlinks to any site. So we're going to open that up, and guess what we see? We see a backlink tracker, okay? Backlink checker. So it says, try the free version of AHREFS backlink checker, get a glimpse into power of our premium tool, okay? So this is a free version, kind of a limited version of their premium tool. So for instance, let's say I want to enter a site, news.com, and I say check backlinks, I'm not a robot. And it's running, right? It has a backlink profile, it pulls the data, it's running. This is what it gets. And it gave us some information, but this is, it's good information, but it's obviously, we want more. If we're actually going to be making money with SEO, we're professional, we want more. And guess what? They say, want to see all, 833,000 backlinks, try us. Start a 7-day trial for $7. And so if you haven't noticed just yet, maybe, sometimes you need more time to understand what's happening here, this is actually a tool that allows them to get paying customers. It's a tool to get people into the door, right? To get people through the door. That's the most important thing to understand here. Yes, it's a tool. It's a free tool, but it's a tool to help them make money. And what you guys got to understand about this tool is that it's a tool that helps people. It's not just a tool, okay, we're going to make money, we're going to, sell a bunch of things. It's a tool to help people. You guys got to understand that this tool solves a very important problem. It's not really about AHREFS or, what AHREFS can offer you or what is, the meaning of SEO. It's the point of this tool is that I want backlink checker. I type news.com, or let's say I type theverge.com. I'm in this kind of the tech niche, let's say, the tech news niche. And right away I see, referring domains, I see backlinks, I see domain ratings. And then I also see that I'm going to be seeing some backlinks. And so, like I said, this tool solves very important questions. I need backlinks. Here's a backlinks checker. And then if I want more, right? Should I want more? Should I want something, more, more options? I want more answers, more data, more of anything. I have to pay. In this case, I sign up for a 7-day trial for $7, which is not a huge commitment. I mean, I have 7 days, $1 per day, which is not bad at all. And that's exactly what a lot of people do. They go through this tool here and they sign up for the service, okay? Another tool that you might be familiar that pretty much does the same thing in a similar niche. It could be a different niche, but in this case, it's actually a very similar niche. It's called Ubersuggest. So if I type Ubersuggest, I have this result here. I'm going to open this up. And Ubersuggest, want more traffic? Ubersuggest shows you how to win the game of SEO. Just type in the domain or keyword to get started. So let's say I type theverge.com. I say search. And it's asking me to register. I already have an account. It's telling me you're using a free version of Ubersuggest. 3 out of 3 free daily searches available. I can also start the 7-day free trial. Does this look familiar to any of you? It should, because it does exactly the same thing as the previous tool. In fact, Neil Patel, this person right here, the owner of this tool, this is the reason he bought this tool, because he knew that, he's going to be giving away data, at least, some free data, A lot of people who are professionals or who are making money with this kind of data, they would be inclined to sign up and pay money to make more money. Okay, so very, very important thing to understand. I do not know who Neil Patel is, but I do know what SEO is. And just by using this tool, I learned about his services. I learned about the products he sells. It's a very, very effective way to market stuff. Let me show you another tool. Instant domain search. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard about this tool. This is an amazing tool. Maybe, some of you who are new to, buying domains online, making money online, you probably may have not heard about it. But here we have instant domain search. So if you type this in, you have this tool right here. So if I load this tool, now this tool works slightly different than the previous two tools, and I'm going to explain to you why. So let's say I want to register on news.com. Obviously, that's taken. And so if I type news.com, right away, I'm getting real time, right? So I'm not even pressing enter. I'm just typing news.com, and I'm getting real time information. So as you can see, news.com is taken. It's red, but it's telling me that Newsings is available. News.io is available. Okay, that's interesting. News Interiors is available. It's telling me all of this. And guess what? If I click on it to buy, guess what? I'm going to give you, 3 chances to tell me the right answer. What happens? I click on it. It's going to redirect me somewhere. And guess where it's going to redirect? Obviously going to redirect me to GoDaddy through an affiliate link, right? As you can see, this long link, it has this, it has an affiliate link there, right? Because GoDaddy has an affiliate program. So this tool, this third example that we have, it works slightly different because in the previous 2 examples, AHREFS and Ubersuggest, they're both part of the same business. So AHREFS tool is part of AHREFS. Ubersuggest tool is part of Ubersuggest. In this case, this is a different tool. This tool is an independent tool, and it just redirects to different affiliate offers. In this case, domain registers. Okay, so this is a very, very effective way to do affiliate marketing. Let me show you another example. I'm going to show you a couple of more examples. Here we have the super fast color schemes generator. Okay, you can start a generator here. You can just go to coolers or colors with a double O in the beginning, COOLORS.co, and you have a color scheme generator, right? So here's a color scheme right here. I can generate another one. I can, view it. I can export this color scheme. I can create a palette from a photo. I can generate a new one, right? I press the space bar to generate. I just press space bar. This is actually pretty cool, right? Let's say you want to build a site. You're looking for different colors. You're looking for, for some text, for images, for borders, for, whatever you may have. And I can actually lock a color, right? I can save it to favorites. I can lock this. And so it's only going to change these colors, right? So I can say, okay, now it's going to go and try to find these other colors with this color unchanged. Or I can unlock it. I can save it as favorites. This is pretty cool. This is a nice color scheme, right? Kind of this pastel colors. I can also upload a photo. It's going to get me. And, in this case, he has ads. Okay, or she, who, the developer, they have ads. It says advertise on colors, promote your brand or passion, but I can easily have affiliate links to, Adobe Photoshop, or affiliate links to Pixelmator, or affiliate links to Fiverr, or any kind of services where there's the next step. And let me show you one more example, and then I'm going to explain to you how you can do the same and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. And then later on in the video, I'm going to be showing you my own strategy, and you're free to copy that strategy. I'm going to show you what I'm personally going to be doing, because in the subsequent videos over the course of a few weeks, a couple of months, I'm going to be showing you the progress of the actual project I'm working on, so you can see that I am being legit with you. Okay, so last example here. Free online financial calculators, tools to help you make all the money decisions. Finance calculators, right? I don't want to sign up for a loan or a credit card or, do this, do that. I want to know, what can I afford? I want to know, here's an auto loan calculator. I want to click on it, and I want to scroll down, and I want to see, okay, I want to make a 300 monthly payment. I want a 48-month loan. I'm looking to buy a new car. Let's say I have a good credit score. And it's telling me your payment allows you to finance this amount. This is my APR. This is my total interest. But let's say I want to make more payments. Let's say I'm willing to pay $700 a month. Okay, now 32. Let's say I want to spread it out even longer, over 72 months. Okay, now I can, I can buy a decent car, 46,000. Let's say I'm willing to pay $1,000. Okay, now I can get, $67,000 car, which is actually, you can get a really nice car for that, for obviously that amount of money, because that's a lot of money. And then, it says, you can download for free, but, here you can just say, okay, now that you know how much you can afford, what about these auto brokers? What about these, CPA affiliate marketing offers with cars? What about, these ClickBank offers? What about, these ShareSell offers? There's so many offers that you can promote when it comes to money, when it comes to credit, when it comes to giving people loans and stuff like that. So this is very, very powerful. And it's actually very easy to create a lot of these tools that we talked about, okay? But before I show you how you can do that, let me show you what we're talking about, right? So let's say you have a user right here, right? So this is a user right here, okay? And you say, here's the user, go buy my product, right? And this is the product. But the user does not want to buy the product because they're not looking to buy a product, right? They're like, what's going on? They want to solve a problem. They want a problem to be solved. And that is why you redirect them to a tool. So I'm going to make this kind of a rectangle, a tool that solves a problem for them. So whether it's, checking backlinks with this free backlink checker, or this Ubersuggest here, or instant domain search. I want to know if this domain is available. I don't want, let's say I want to register news.com, or I want to register, news in the city or something. Is this available? No, it's not available. But what is available? Not only does it tell you that this is not available, but also gives you suggestions. It's a very, very powerful product. Or let's say I want to create a color scheme, just something simple. Or let's say I want to, I want to figure out how much I can afford. I don't want to spend money. I just want you to help me answer my question. And that is why it's very powerful. So this is a tool, and then you can redirect them to a product. The pinnacle of very powerful affiliate marketing, right? This is kind of the pinnacle. This is why it's so powerful to do it this way, because we're giving people what they want, and in return, they are gonna buy what we are selling, right? This is something very, very important to understand. Now, let's go back to this backlink checker, or let's go back to this, any of these tools actually. For instance, this instant domain search. Yeah, you can hire somebody to do it, and I'm going to explain to you how you can do it. But, you guys should just Google for it. And so if you Google for something like this, like what I have here, you're going to see a lot of very interesting results. So for instance, take a look at this first result here. We're going to open it up. And what do we have? We have instant domain search. And we have actual scripts here that allow you to do it. And so here you go. Here you go. WP domain checker, pull domain, WP domain checker, 2-in-1. You have all of these tools that you can go out and purchase, right? You guys got to understand that if there's demand for a specific tool, if people want to, private label it, white label it, they can purchase it. We also have small SEO tools. This is the price, right? You can install this tool. There's all of these tools that people can go out and purchase. So for instance, this has 2,800 sales. We can open it up and just get more information. We can actually preview this and see what it really looks like. So there you have it. WP domain checker. Find your domain name. So let's say I type news.com and I hit search. Sorry, news.com is taken. Okay, so this is a sample example. You can do news 123. Let's see if that's available. And it's available. I can add to cart. And instead of me, and here's the, here's the sales page. Instead of me purchasing it here, I can redirect to an affiliate from GoDaddy, because all I have to do is go in here, affiliate program GoDaddy, and I'm going to find it, right? The GoDaddy affiliate program. Or I can do Namecheap, which I prefer. I like Namecheap a lot. Affiliate program Namecheap. Yeah, here you go. So you're never going to have trouble finding affiliate programs. You're never going to have problems finding, companies who take your users who want to start a new site or anything like that. And this is just an example, right? This thing is just one example. There's going to be There are plenty more scripts. Here I'm back on the same page here, Envato Market, and I found A to Z SEO tools, search engine optimization tools. So these tools are going to be very, very similar to the tools that you find here on Ubersuggest, as well as an AHREFS. And all you have to do is purchase it. And instead of, sending users to your own app, because you're probably not going to have an app like they do, you can redirect them to an affiliate program, for instance, called SEMrush, which is a competitor to AHREFS. You can do SEMrush affiliate program. There you go. You can do that. You can open it up and you have SEMrush. Earn $200 for every new sale, $10 for every new trial, 1 cent for every new sign up. So there you go. You can, you can make as much money as you want using these tools, giving people what they want. And the list is pretty much unlimited. It's an endless way to promote it using these tools. You just have to kind of pick your niche. It works with any niche. You can do, weight loss, you can do self-improvement, you could do anything. Obviously, you need to think of the problem that the user is having. You can create this tool, or you can buy this tool, or you can hire somebody to do it. You can go on places like Fiverr, places like freelancer.com, just hire somebody to build a very similar tool, or you can just buy it for like $40, $30, whatever. Look at this one. How many article rewriter, plagiarism checker, meta links. This is an amazing tool. And actually, if you stayed this long, thank you so much. Now I want to show you what I'm working on, right? So what I'm doing right now is, if you Google something like this, small SEO tools, and you load this up, this is kind of what I'm doing. This is one of my projects. I'm going to be building, in fact, I'm already started, the process to have a site very similar. It's not going to have all of this stuff here, but it's going to have, get YouTube tags, YouTube optimization, stuff like that. And then I'm going to monetize it using various third-party affiliate offers. Okay, so I'm going to, the purpose of this is a lot different than, a survey or, a questionnaire or anything like that. This is an actual tool. It's an actual app that helps them do something. It's a standalone app. So you guys need to understand, you guys need to make that distinction. Very, very important. But that is exactly what I recommend you guys to do, because this is extremely powerful. And that is how a lot of, affiliate, like really experienced affiliate marketers make a lot of their money, and how a lot of companies make their own money, get leads to their own products, and how you can make money as well. Because once you have a tool like this, you can send any traffic that you want from it. Doesn't matter what kind of traffic. Could be Facebook, could be Google, could be just about anything. And you could be paid traffic, free traffic. Nobody's ever going to complain, because you're offering a service. You're offering a real tool for free without any strings attached. So even after they use this tool, they don't need to go out and sign up for your product. That's optional. You're just giving them a tool, and then, they decide what they want to do next. All right, guys? So that is what I'm working on right now. I'm going to show you the results in the upcoming videos. Leave a comment below if you want to see more results. And also, leave a comment below if you want me to expand on this topic. I know a lot about this topic. There's lots of things I can talk about. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to talk more about this. This is very, very powerful, as I've shown you in the examples in the beginning of the video. All right, guys, so that is what I want to talk about today. Really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a like, leave a comment below, let me know what you think about it, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. All right, guys, so thanks a lot again for watching, and I'll see you real soon.